We are proud to introduce the UltraFlo system, a centralized plumbing system for residential and commercial applications. A system that's smart, safe, and eco. Smart, as we use today's technology to manage, measure, and control the water in your home. Safe, as the system moves the water pressure from your living area to a remote place such as a basement or mechanical room. Eco, in that it uses 40% less material than conventional plumbing systems. It also saves energy by mixing the hot and cold water near the water heater to prevent long runs of pipe that just cool off, and delivers warm water 50% faster, plus not wasting as much water while waiting for it to heat up. UltraFlo Systems, the smart, safe, eco water system, available in the US and Canada, patent pending.